Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to install Python and VS Code on your PC so that you and I can learn together how to code in Python. So, let's get started. First, you have to open your Chrome browser and search for Python. Click the first website, click it Downloads, and then click Python 3.1 3.2. Come to the top right corner and click here. As you can see, your Python setup file has downloaded. Now, right-click it and run it as an administrator. Add python.exe to path, click it, and install. Please wait patiently. It may take some time. It's about to finish. Now you can see your setup is successful. Now you can close it and simply come to the search bar and search for command prompt. Now type Python --version and then enter. Now, as you can see, Python 3.1 3.2 has been successfully installed. Now you can close it. Now you have to install VS Code on your PC. Now, search for VS Code. Click the first website and click Download for Windows. Come to the top right corner and click to Full Download History. Wait until it's finished. It may take some time. It's about to be completed. Python setup file has downloaded. Now, right-click it and run it as an administrator. Click OK and select I accept the agreement, and then Next, and then click to create a desktop icon, then Next, and then Install. You have to wait for a while until it's finished. Now your Visual Studio Code setup is complete. Now you can finish it. Go to the search bar and search VS Code. Click it. And now, as you can see, your Visual Studio Code has been installed, and it's been working perfectly. Now that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, share, and subscribe. Take care. Bye.